Jai Sriman Narayana. And also, one thing, I gave a word to my father that I am going to do Vanavasam. And when I was giving that word to my father, Mother Kaikamma also was there. She felt so happy. And now, what you are asking me to do is, let that word go and now you follow Bharata's word you are asking me. How can I do that? That is why I am now again resolving to do this now. Vanavasam vasanyevam. I am going to be doing Vanavasam. I am making it very clear. Suchihi niyata bhojanaha. I am going to be conducting myself very pure in this Vanavasam. And I will be eating only fruits and herbs. And mulaihi, pushpaihi, phalaihi, punyaihi, pitrun, devascha tarpayan. I am going to be worshipping Pitru Devatas, all the Devatas with nice pure flowers from this forest and pure fruits from this forest. I will be offering them, I will be worshipping them, I will be making all the Pitru Devatas and Devatas happy, and I will also be very happy and I will satisfy myself like this. Hom Jabali, Akuha, I will not be bearing any kind of poison in my heart, in my mind. Shraddha Dhanasan, with all my Shraddha, with all my interest, I am going to be performing, I am going to be observing all the dharmas, and I will keep an eye what's supposed to be done, what not supposed to be done. Karya vichakshana, I will definitely have that discriminative knowledge between what is wrong, what is right. With that kind of discriminative knowledge, Lokayatram Pravartage, I am going to be traveling and making my journey in this forest. Jabali, this bhumi is karma bhumi. Those who have born on this bhumi, all of them, so many people, they have done subha karmas, great activities. With that, they have attained such a great worlds, all the upper worlds. And the one who has done Satam Kratuham, the one who has done 100 yajnas, he has become Devendra, and now he is ruling Swargam, heaven itself. And also there are so many sages, great rishis. They have performed all righteous activities and they attained Swargam. Like this, Ramachandra Swami, while responding back to Jabali, because Ramachandra Swami has listened to Jabali's argument, which is completely against our scripture, with that Rama's Tejas effulgence is coming out from entire of his body, and with that kind of effulgence, Rama is completely disagreeing and disrespecting entire argument of Jabali. Vigarhamano. And also within his mind he is completely accusing what Jabali has said, and now responding back to Jabali again, saying that, Ho Jabali, Satyancha, Dharmancha, Bhutanukampa, Parakramancha, Priyavaditancha. Everybody should be having Satyam, Dharmam, Parakramam, compassion on all the entities, and very sweet speaking ability to everyone. With these kind of those who have these great qualities, Dvija, Atidideva, Pujanancha, Brahmana should be worshipped, guests should be worshipped, all the Devatas should be worshipped. All these activities whoever performs, whoever have these qualities, for them, every of these quality, every of these activity become a stepstone for them to attain great worlds. Jabali, do not forget this. All our ancestors have performed this and they have attained great worlds. Now, Jabali, after I heard from you, I started thinking that how did even my father appointed you in his close associates? Now I am completely disagreeing my father's decision. Nindami, aham, karma, pituh krutam, whatever my father has done, appointing you as his associate, I am now disrespecting and disagreeing with his decision. Like that, Ramachandra Swami getting back to Jabali. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.